Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electronics. We'll explore the correct and two main types of current, and the practical and important properties of current. Let's get started. What is current?
Electric current is the flow of electric charge through a conductor. It is measured in amperes A and can be thought of as the movement of electrons within a material.
There are two types of current. Direct current DC, the flow of electric charge is in a single, consistent direction. Alternating current AC, the flow of electric charge periodically reverses direction. Now we discuss some important properties of AC and DC current. If a bulb is used with AC current, it technically blinks at the frequency of the AC cycle. If a bulb is used with DC current, it will provide a steady light without any flickering.
AC current is transmitted at high voltages to reduce energy losses over long distances. DC current used within devices and for short-distance power distribution.
If I pass alternating current AC through a wire, it generates time-varying electric and magnetic fields, which in turn create electromagnetic waves. If I pass direct current DC through a wire, it generates a steady electric field along the wire and a steady magnetic field around the wire, but it does not generate electromagnetic waves. DC current flows in one constant direction. AC current has 50 Hz or 60 Hz depending on the country.